So before we start this video, I should probably explain why I was gone for a month. I have not had anything to put on my car for this period of time. So that sucks, right? No, just kidding. And I didn't want to just upload a video just to upload a video, if that makes sense. I didn't want to put something out that wasn't quality. I feel like I'm not like that. If I put something out, I want it to be something that someone would want to watch and learn from. So yeah, there you go. Bonnie here. That's my car's name, by the way. I have officially named my car Bonnie. I have a code, an engine light, that we're going to try and fix today. I already ordered the parts for it, but I'm going to show you the code so you know what it is. And if you have this problem, I'm going to show you how to fix it. To plug it in, you just plug it into the OBD2, I think is what it's called, port right here, right there. And it beep. This is just like a really cheap engine scanner code thing, reader, whatever it is. There, it says read. The car has to be in the on position. You don't have to turn the car on, just turn it in accessory mode. Not accessory mode, the one after that. I don't know what it's called. Right before you start the car, that one. So, yeah, there you go. It just pops up right there, P0449. That code is the Evap leak code. And I can clear it. Does that mean clear? So there, I erased it. I can start the car. So the code's there, as you can see, P0449, and I can erase it. I'm gonna erase it right now. Goes away, comes back on, P0449. So, it's coming back on. I've tightened my gas cap 20 million times. So I know it's not the gas cap that's loose, at least. So what that means, the parts I bought were a new gas cap from I got all the parts from RockAuto, offline. So a new gas cap, I got a new Evap solenoid, I think is what it's called, and then the Evap canister vent valve. Let's start with the gas cap, and if that doesn't fix it, then I'm guessing it's going to be the vent valve. I have another part that I want to show you, but we're not going to install it in the video today. It's another video, sorry. I got side skirts, but here we go. Behold, lo and behold, gas cap, bam. Evap purge solenoid, Evap solenoid vent valve. Yes, this is the vent valve right here. It just goes into the canister like that. Okay, it comes with the cable. Great, fantastic. The Evap, let's see, solenoid. I have the new gas cap right here out of the bag. I'm assuming you just pull. I made sure I got the one with a strap on it too, because I love the little strap. It's great. It's a fantastic invention. I love it. See, to me, nothing looks wrong with that. It has just a little push thing. I'm just gonna push it in. Just like that. Fantastic. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay. So that's installed. That was quick. I'm gonna go check for a code. I'll yell. Here, how about this? I'll yell if it is still there. But if I don't yell, then it's gone. How about that? Okay, if you didn't hear me, the code's still there. So I didn't need to replace this, but I guess it's... oh well. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. This is the vent. This is the canister, the Evap canister. And then this is what we're replacing. And I see the issue. That wire is broken. It's in half. There, it's out. I have my solution. So, technically, I don't need the gas cap, I don't need the solenoid, and I don't need the purge valve, or the vent valve. All I need to do is solder this wire back together. I'm just going to cut up the black harness wrap. So I can get to the other wires. Okay, I think I have enough. So now I can use this little guy. All I have to do is connect these two wires, just like that, and then solder them, and then we're good. Okay, now I have to try and lay on my side and solder this. So that's going to be interesting, but I think I can do it. Is that a good solder job? I'm not even sure. But it's gonna have to do. So I'm gonna let that cool, and then I'll put electrical tape over it, and I'm gonna put my fancy Tessa tape on it that I put on my wiring in the engine bay. So I'm gonna cut to that. So goodbye. I'm gonna wrap this wire individually since it's exposed, and then I'll wrap them both together. Alright, one of them's wrapped. Now I can wrap them both in Tessa. Boom. And just like that, your connector is fixed. So I hope it actually is fixed. Ah, you have to push it in more. Okay. So you have to get it to click in, like push in, and then you have to get it to click when you turn it. Like that. And now we can plug it back in. And now that that's plugged back in, you should be able to start the car and see if the yeah, yep, I'll take you for the ride. Alrighty. There's no code on the dash, no code on the thing, except for whatever the hell that is. I'm not even gonna worry about that. So bam. No code, I fixed it. Look at that.